With consistency as a talent, you treat everyone with equality by setting up clear rules and adhering to them. You believe in fairness. Because of this, you are aware of the need to treat people the same. You are likely at your best when you have standard operating procedures. Use the empowered success resources to help systemize your process as you work to achieve your goals. The rank planners will be valuable tools as you make the decision to advance in rank. This will require effort from your whole team, so set clear expectations for each person and let them know how you will support them. By establishing a fair system, you can help your builders succeed, and when they succeed, so do you. With sharing, inviting, and enrolling, the secret to your success will be repeating these activities in the same way for each person. Finding a rhythm will help you establish efficiency and flow. Get into the habit of holding regular classes and regularly inviting people to your events. Use the timelines in the Empowered Success Guides to establish a process for onboarding your customers. When you adhere to your guidelines, you will accelerate your team's growth. When you teach a class, you are often more interested in the group's needs than the individual wants. You may choose to share the most commonly used essential oils and products in doTERRA's Home Essentials and Natural Solution Kits to make sure you touch on the health priorities that the majority of your attendees will care about. Be sure that your classes are the right size so you can give everyone the same amount of time and give everyone the opportunity to have their questions answered, their health priorities addressed, and their kits ordered. Use your consistency talent to establish guiding principles that promote a stable team culture. In a world where everything is constantly changing, your team will appreciate knowing that some things are consistent. The consistency strength can help you duplicate your success for your builders. Help them understand and utilize the system that helped you reach your goals. Sometimes you might be accused of putting rules before relationships and results. Remember why you created your systems, but don't let them get in the way of an important moment for healing or growth. This is a place for exceptions, so be open to making them when it's right. Your consistency theme can give you an advantage as you build doTERRA because you increase the likelihood of consistent results. You make this business easier with your efficient systems, and you care about fairness in a world that could use a whole lot more equality.